Happy Sunday, everybody. We're looking at a gorgeous day all across the Bay Area, and these well above average temperatures actually going to stick around through the early parts of this upcoming week as high pressure is dominating. And high pressure, as many of you know, brings well above average temperatures, brings plenty of sunshine, and it deflects all of the cloud coverage off and away from the west coast of the United States. But this swirling low pressure system behind it and associated cloud coverage, this is actually from an atmospheric river, and this is going to be heading our way by the time that we step out mid to late this upcoming week. So let's take it out in the future, kind of show you exactly what we're expecting. Again, high pressure continuing to dominate. We're looking at well above average temperatures, plenty of sunshine through the early parts of this upcoming week. But you'll notice two low pressure systems, one that will be sitting in the northern Pacific, one that will be sitting in the central Pacific. And both of these areas of low pressure are going to merge by the time that we step out mid to late this upcoming week. So let's take it farther into the future, show you this low pressure, all of that merging as it heads towards the west coast of the United States and ushered in more widespread rainfall. We're expecting this to arrive late Wednesday and into Thursday, and then it will be heading into Friday. However, there is a question mark on Friday for a reason. That's because we don't know exactly how long the rain is going to linger around for. There's a couple of different models that are showing us a couple of different things. So let's break it down, show you what those two different models are looking like. There's a higher end and a lower end model. The higher end model is the rain that continues throughout the day on Friday and potentially brings anywhere from 2 to 3 inches across the Bay Area. As you can tell, those areas in purple across the Santa Cruz Mountains and North Bay, those are the highest totals, but even San Francisco, inland East Bay communities likely going to be seeing over an inch in this high-end total. The low-end totals are less than an inch to maybe a half of an inch. So again, it could be either or. We don't really know exactly how much rain is going to fall at this point because we don't know exactly if the rain is going to stick around into Friday. But what we do know is that for sure rain is heading our way late Wednesday and into Thursday. It's really going to be a lot more active, but the amount of rain that falls, again, is the biggest question mark at this point. If you have any plans, though, later this week, be prepared. Keep an umbrella handy. It's the amount of flooding that we'll be seeing that will really be the biggest impact from this upcoming system. Those temperatures are going to be well below average by the time that we step out later this week, back into the low 60s across our inland areas, and then low 60s even closer to the coast. So those microclimates no longer going to be in full force. Grab an umbrella for any mid to late week plans and enjoy the next couple of days of quiet weather while you can.